Hello, this is David Mandell, one of the co-founders of OJM Group and the lead author of this playbook in the asset protection section. I appreciate you clicking through and watching this video. As I record this in February 2025, the book has now been out about 6 months, but I thought I would check in and do an updated video, replacing the one that was out when we first released the book back in the summer of 2024. Now, what's changed with asset protection since the release of the book? Not much. Asset protection is an area, unlike some of the other areas of wealth planning, that doesn't change all that much. Certainly, there's cases that come down, and I try to highlight those also on our podcast and really important ones in articles. But they don't often be, they're not often groundbreaking, meaning the principles that you're going to learn here in this section, exempt assets, the use of co-ownership like tenancy by the entirety, the use of legal tools like limited liability companies and trusts, that never changes and hasn't changed since I started as a lawyer 30 years ago. What's happened in very recently? Well, in California, we do have a new law that went into effect January 1, 2025 that put some limits on qualified plan exemption. Makes it more like their IRA exemption, which is fairly limited. So if you're a California physician watching this, you may want to set up a consult with me to understand that. I just read a recent case that showed that LLCs didn't really protect from an IRS claim. And we kind of knew that already, that there's many cases in which legal tools will work against a normal lawsuit, slip and fall, medical malpractice, car accident, et cetera, but they won't against the federal government because state law is superseded by federal law. So this was one in a very long line of cases, not something surprising, but something I just read recently. And there's some other states that have slowly tweaked their rules or made them better or made them worse. So again, stick to this book, read, listen, watch what's in the asset protection section. You'll get most of the way there. But of course, the only way to really understand how your assets are exposed and how you could better protect them is to get some advice personally. And we encourage you to set up an initial consult and talk about our diagnostic process, including a review on the asset protection side. Thanks again for tuning into this video and for getting the playbook.